I welcome one and all in EPG Pathshala. The EPG Pathshala is a technological doorway to postgraduate student of electronic science. Dear friend, this is third module of C programming language on data types. In this module, we will give more stress on data types used in C language. Generally, computers are used to process different types of informations. Computer receives such informations from various input peripherals and computer programs. These informations are called as data. The computer receives and processes various types of data from specific region and perform specific task. Therefore, computer has to give information or data to the programmer in proper format. Then computer can understand actual meaning of the data. The data can be classified as numeric data, composite data, non-composite data, enumeration and string. The numeric data deals with numbers. Composite data deals with array and data structures. Non-composite data deals with pointers and references. Enumeration data deals with formatted integers. Text deals with alphanumericals. Therefore, in this module, we will give more focus on various data types and its examples in C languages. The learning objectives of data types are to know character set and tokens, to know identifiers and keywords, to study the difference between constants and C variables, to know the rules for writing variable names. Outline of this data types. Introduction of different data types, basic data types, integer and character data types, floating point data types, enumeration and derived data types, void data type and summary. The character sets of C language. The use of every character in C language found in modern computer keyboard, which are given follows. The character sets of C's are given below. Symbol A to Z used for uppercase letters, small a to Z for lowercase characters, for number 0 to 9, space, dot for period, comma, colon, semicolon, quote, dollar sign, double quote. These are the different characters of C language. In every text punctuation mark, individual words are called as token. Small unit is known as token. C has following tokens like identifiers and keywords, constants, strings, special symbols and operators. Identifiers. Every data object needs some storage space in computer memory. Use of references known as identifiers. Identifiers uses letter A to Z, capital letter A to Z, numbers from 0 to 9 and underscore symbol. Identifiers may be 31 to 40 characters long. Example, temp, average, net salary, etc. These are the valid identifiers. Keywords. The keywords are the words whose meaning has already been explained to the compiler. C language keeps small set of keywords for its own use. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers because keywords and identifiers are different. Keywords are not written in uppercase letters. Here, the list of keyword used in standard C is given as follows. These are total 32 keywords used in C language. The meaning of keyword is already explained to the compiler. Hence, these keywords cannot be used as a variable name in C program. If we do so, then we are trying to change meaning of the keyword. Therefore, do not use these keywords as a variable name or identifier in the program. These are the different keywords like auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, goto, if, integer, long, register, return, short, sign, size of, static. These are the various keywords used in C language. Then constants. So what is constant? Constant is a quantity that doesn't change. C allows you to declare various constant in the program. For example, k equal to 0 or k equal to 100. To declare constant is like a variable declaration. The constant keyword is to declare a constant like integer constant p equal to 190 or constant integer a equal to 23. The constant can declare before or after the type. Initialize a constant with a value. The constants can be divided into two major categories like primary constant and secondary constant. The primary constant can be classified as integer constant, real constant and character constant, whereas secondary constant classified as array, pointer, structure, union and enum. There are certain rules given for designing or defining integer in C language or C program. An integer constant must have at least one digit. It must not have a decimal point. Integer constant could be either positive or negative. If no sign given to the integer means it is positive integer. It means default sign of integer constant is a positive. No commas or blanks are allowed within integer constant. Allowable range for integer constant is -32768 to plus 32767. This is for 16-bit compiler. Valid integer constants. Here some valid integer constants are given like 786, 777, -879, -2065. These are the valid integer constants. The real constant is an approximation of real number. The real constants are often called as floating point constant. The real number can be expressed in two different forms like fractional form and exponential form. There are rules considered for construction of real constant in fractional format. Real constant must have at least one digit. Real constant must have decimal point. The real constant could be either positive or negative. Default sign of real constant is positive. No commas or blanks are allowed in real constant. These are the valid examples of real constant in fractional form. 786.54, 77.07, -87.900, -20.6509. These are the real constants in fractional form. Then real constants in exponential form. The exponential form real constant can be separated by letter E. The mantissa part and exponential part separated by letter E. The mantissa part may have positive and negative sign. default sign of mantissa is positive. The exponent must have at least one digit which could be positive or negative. Default sign of exponent is positive. The range of number is minus 3.4 exponential of 38 to 3.4 exponential of 38. This is valid for 16-bit compiler. The valid real numbers in exponential forms are 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 14, 2.6 into 10 raised to plus 13, minus 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 9. These are valid real numbers in exponential form, where mantissa part and exponent part separated by letter E. The rules for construction of character constants. A character constant is either single alphabet, single digit, or single special symbol enclosed in single inverted comma. Both are inverted commas should point to the left. The maximum length of character constant can be 1 character. These are the valid examples of character constant. Here V, O, 7, these are the valid character constants. Then variables used in C. A quantity which may vary during program execution called as variables. Every variable has a name and its value. The name identifies the variable while the value stores the data. There is a limitation on names of variable. Every variable name in C must start with letter of alphabet. The variable consists of letters, numbers and underscore character. Variables are case sensitive. Any C keyword like main, while, switch, etc. cannot be used as a variable name because the meaning of keyword is already explained to the compiler. If we do so, we are trying to change meaning of the actual keyword. Therefore, keywords cannot be used for variables or variables cannot be used for keywords. The examples of legal variable name are like K, mark, out, file, salary, etc. These are the quantities that are given as a name. There are 3 types of variables exist: integer variable, float variable and character variables. Integer variables, we have to write integer as a data type and variable name. For floating variable, we have to write data type as a float and then variable name. In character variable, we have to write data type as a character and then variable name. Here character P or character G in square bracket 10 is considered as a character variable. There are certain rules given for defining or constructing variables name. The first character of variable name cannot begin with digit. Subsequent characters may consist of any combination of alphabets, digits and underscores. Variable name should not be more than 31 characters as far as 16-bit compiler considers. For other type of compiler, different length of characters can be considered. Blank spaces are not allowed in variable name. Special characters are also not allowed. Variable name should be unique. Only one name may be used for each variable. Variable must be assigned a value before used in computation. Variable names cannot be reserved words like printf, characters and etc. Then data types. What is data type or what is data? The data storage format, that is a variable that can store a data to perform specific operation. Data type creates variable to store the values. A variable is a just named area of storage that can hold a single value. Data type declares the name of each variable that is required to use and its type. The size of variables, constants, arrays are determined by data types. There are different data types. These data types are given in tabular form. You can see basic data types are integer, character, float, double. Enumeration data type is enum. Derived data type, that is pointer, array, structures, unions. Void data type, that is void. There are 4 basic data types like integer, character, float and double. Now let us see, first one is integer type of data type, and that is referred as integer. Second is character, third is float and fourth one is double. Now let us see one by one. The integer data type allows a variable to store numeric values. For integer data type, int keyword is used to refer integer data type. The storage size of integer data type is 2 or 4 or 8 byte. These storage size depends upon type of processor. For 16-bit processor, 2 byte memory size is used for integer data. Integer data type variation depends upon processor in the CPU. Integer 2 byte can store values from minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Modifiers in C. The amount of memory space to be allocated for variable in derived modifiers. Prefixed with basic data types to modify the amount of storage space allocated to a variable. Example, integer 4 byte. This is for 32-bit processor. Increase range by long integer, that will go up to 8 byte. Decrease range by short integer, that is for 2 byte. Then modifiers in C. If we are using 16-bit processor, 2 byte, that is 16-bit of memory will be allocated for integer data type. Likewise, 4 byte 32-bit of memory for 32-bit processor. In this tabular form of modifiers in C, we can see different data types, their storage size and value range. For integer data type, storage for 16-bit processor is 2 byte. The range minus 32,768 to 32,767. Then integer in 32-bit processor, storage size is 4 byte and range is minus 2,147,483,648 plus 2,147,483,647. For unsigned data type integer, storage size is 2 byte, value range is 0 to 65,535. For 32-bit unsigned integer, storage size is 4 byte and value range is from 0 to 4294967,295. For short type integer, storage size is 2 byte and value range is minus 32,768 to 32,767. Unsigned short integer, for 16-bit processor it is 2 byte, range remains same as before. For long type, storage size is 4 byte and range is minus 2 147 483 648 to 2 147 48 3647. Unsigned long type 4 byte, range is 0 to 4 294 967 295. Examples on integer data type. You can see this is simple program given which will demonstrate how to use integer data type in C language. You can see simple program, that is main, open bracket, close bracket. In that body of that main function we have defined integer, that is a constant, and value of constant is considered as a 5. So, constant is a data considered in integer form. Variable is a constant and variable value is 5. Character data type. The character data type stores only one character. Character is a keyword used to refer character data type. Storage size of character data is 1 byte. Here the example for character data type is given. Capital A can be stored using character data type. You can't store more than one character using character data type. String used to store more than one character in variable. The character data types, there are 3 character data types given: character, unsigned character and signed character. If you are using only character type of data, then storage size is 1 byte and value range is minus 128 to 127 or 0 to 255. If you use unsigned character, then storage size is 1 byte and value range is 0 to 255. For unsigned character, storage size is 1 byte and value range is minus 128 to 127. So, this is simple program which will elaborate the use of character data type. You can see the program in which character letter is written or considered as a data type, character data type. Letter X, that is considered as a character. Here the variable name could have many letters, but the declared character will be a single. Floating point data type. The floating point data types are classified as float and double. You can see one by one. For float, data type allows a variable to store decimal values. Storage size for float data type is 4 byte. 6 digits after decimal point can be considered. For example, 77.12345 can be stored in a variable. Double data type is the same as float data type. Double data type allows up to 10 digit after decimal. The range for double data type is from 10 raised to minus 37 to 10 raised to plus 37. This is the tabular form which will describe the difference between float and double. For float data type, storage size is 4 byte, value range and precision. The value range for float is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 38 to 3.4 into 10 raised to plus 38. Precision up to 6 decimal places. For double data type, storage size is 8 byte, value range is 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 308 to 1.7 into 10 raised to plus 308. Precision for this data type is 15 decimal places. For long double data, storage size is 10 byte, value range is 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 4932 to 1.1 into 10 raised to plus 4932. Precision for this long double data type is 19 decimal. For considering float double data type, the header file float.h defines macros that allows you to use these values and other details about the binary representation of real numbers in your program. This is the example for demonstration of basic data types. Size of function, that operator is used to find the memory space allocated for each C data types. In this program, you can see there are 4 different data types are used, like integer A, character B, float C. This is the example for demonstration of basic data types. Size of function, that operator is used to find the memory space allocated for each C data types. In this program, you can see there are 4 different data types are used, like integer A, character B, float C and double D. In printf statement, we are trying to display storage size of different data types. Storage size of integer data type, character data type, float data type and double data type will be displayed on the computer screen by these operators. So, size of A will display storage size of integer data type. Size of B will display storage size of character data type. Size of C will display storage size of float data type, whereas size of D will display storage size of double data type on the computer screen. You can see storage size of integer data type is 4. Then storage size of character data type is 1 byte. Storage size of float data type is 4 byte. And storage size of double data type is 8 byte. So far, we have seen different data types like integer, float, character. Now let us see what is enumeration data type used in C language. Enumeration data type consists of named integer constant as a list, members or enumerators of type. The enumerator data type consists of named integer constant as a list. The list will begin with 0 by default. The value in enumerator data is incremented by 1 for sequential identifiers in the list. The syntax for enum is given as follows: enum identifier in bracket enumerator list. The enumerator list is optional. Let us elaborate the use of enumerator in the program. You can see this is a simple program which will demonstrate use of enumerator data type. In this program, you can see the list given under enum month. In bracket, you can see Jan, Feb, March. Enum month, that is equal to March. If month equal to 0, then message will be printed like value of Jan. If month equal to 1, then message will be printed like month is Feb. If month equal to 2, then message will be printed like month is March. In this program, you can see enum month is March, and therefore message will be displayed like month is March. Let us see one more example of enumeration data type. In this program, we can see we have considered different list of data like enum week. We have considered all days Sunday to Saturday. In this program, we are using enum week today. Today equal to Wednesday. So here in this list, we can see the Wednesday is at third number because the list always start from 0. But while in printf statement, we are using today plus 1, and therefore result 4 will be displayed on the screen of computer. The next data type is derived data type. In derived data type, we can see arrays, pointers, structures and unions. Arrays, pointers, structures, unions are called as derived data in C language. Array consists of similar kind of data, whereas pointer consists of address. Structure consists of various types of data, whether it is integer, character, float and so on. Union consists of mixing of all these data types in under one roof. Void data type is an empty data type that has no value. This can be used in functions and pointers. We will see C function topic to know how to use void data type in function with simply call by value and call by reference in next session. Let us summarize the module of data types. In this module, we have seen different character sets used in C language, tokens used in C language. We also seen the difference between keywords and identifiers. We also seen the difference between constants and variables used in C language. We also seen the difference for variables and rules for used to write different variable names. We also seen the difference between integer types and character types, floating point data types, enumeration, derived data types and void data types in C language.